Hello everyone, and welcome to this wild ride into a mystery that has puzzled many and sparked endless debate. Today we look at the flat earth theory, a view that says our world is not a round ball but a flat disk, and it holds many secrets waiting to be found. Imagine that the Earth is like a giant flat circle with the North Pole in the very center and a thick wall of ice around the edge that keeps the water in, much like the sides of a huge swimming pool. According to this idea, the Sun and the Moon are not huge spheres that are very far away, but are instead much smaller, about 51 kilometers wide, and they move in circles above the flat ground. They travel along clear paths over the disk, lighting up one part at a time and making day and night. When the Sun and Moon move over the flat Earth like a little lamp, the place they shine on becomes light and the rest remains dark. This simple view makes you wonder if the light in the sky is not from a big ball in space, but from a small light moving in a circle. And many who support the flat Earth idea also ask a simple question about gravity. They say that gravity may not be a force that pulls us down, but instead the feeling of weight comes from the Earth moving up all the time. Much like the feeling you get in an elevator when it starts to move, they believe that when you jump up, you feel as if the ground comes up to meet you because the Earth is always rising. This idea makes us think about our own experience of weight in a new way. Flat Earth supporters also look at airplane routes. They point out that many flights, especially those going to the far south, do not fly over the edge of a round Earth, but seem to avoid areas where the edge of a flat Earth would be. For example, flights from New Zealand to South Africa often follow long routes that seem to steer clear of a zone that flat Earth believers say is the true border of our world. They claim that these flight paths are planned on purpose to hide the real shape of the Earth from us. Think about it for a minute. If the Earth were a flat disk, then we would see flight paths that go near the edge, but instead many routes seem to avoid this region, which makes you ask who is planning these routes and why. Many flat Earth fans also do not trust the photos taken from space. They say that the pictures we see of a round Earth made by space agencies like NASA might be changed or even made up by powerful groups who want us to believe one story. They claim that these photos are not proof of a round Earth, but are part of a big cover-up to keep us from knowing the truth. This view makes you ask if the images on our screens are really true or if they are just part of a secret plan to hide the real shape of our world. History plays a big role in the flat Earth story as well. Many ancient people and old maps show the world as flat, like a giant board or carpet. Before modern science, many thought of the Earth as a flat surface, and these old ideas still speak to those who believe that our textbooks may not tell the whole truth. Flat Earth believers say that the idea of a round Earth did not come easily, and that it took many years and much debate for people to accept it. They wonder if this change was influenced by hidden forces and secret plans. One of the most interesting parts of the flat Earth idea is the mystery of Antarctica. Instead of being a cold continent at the bottom of a globe, flat Earth theorists say that Antarctica is really a huge wall of ice that runs all around the edge of the flat Earth and stops the water from spilling over. They claim that this ice wall is guarded very strictly by secret groups and that normal people are not allowed to go there. They believe that if someone could go beyond this ice wall, they might find proof that the Earth is flat, or even discover something amazing that has been hidden for a long time. The thought of a guarded ice wall makes you wonder what might lie beyond it. Could there be lost lands, hidden secrets, or even a way to other worlds? Some fans of the flat Earth idea even suggest that beyond this wall there might be other flat worlds or disks, each with its own secrets, but could be made of several flat layers that touch or are near each other. This idea makes us think of stories about parallel worlds and secret dimensions, and it is both fun and strange to imagine. Another key idea in this theory is the way we feel weight. Flat Earth supporters explain that what we call gravity might just be the effect of the flat Earth moving upward all the time. They compare it to the feeling when a car speeds up and you feel pressed into your seat. They say that if the Earth is always moving up, then that upward movement is what makes us feel our weight, rather than a force pulling us down from a round planet. This simple idea challenges what we have always been told and makes us look at everyday life in a new way. All these points of a flat Earth, a small sun and moon moving above us, a hidden ice wall, secret flight paths, fake space photos, and a new take on gravity come together to create a very different picture of our world. Flat Earth theory tells a story that is not what most of us learn in school, but a story full of secrets that many believe are kept hidden by powerful groups. Have you ever felt that the answers given to you are too simple, or that there is more below the surface? If you have ever questioned if our maps and lessons tell the full truth, then this topic might be right up your alley. Flat Earth belief is not just about whether the Earth is flat or round. It is about thinking for yourself and asking deep questions about the world. Supporters say that many people accept what they are taught without question, but by asking simple, honest questions, we might uncover clues that point to a hidden truth. They say that powerful groups like governments and big space agencies may hide the true shape of our world to control what we think, and that even educated people can choose to trust their own eyes and common sense over what is written in textbooks. It is a call to be curious and to look at the world with fresh eyes. Even if you are not sure about all these ideas, it is a fun and exciting thought to consider that there might be secrets about our planet that we have not yet discovered. As we look at this theory, remember that questioning is a part of learning, and it may lead to surprising new ideas. What if the things we take for granted are not the whole story? What if there is a secret plan to keep us from seeing the truth? These questions have made many people over the years look harder at what's really out there. In the end, the Flat Earth theory is a challenge to think differently and to search for hidden facts that may change our view of the world. It reminds us that even simple ideas can have deep secrets, and that curiosity can lead us to wonder about things that seem impossible. So if you have ever felt that there might be more to our planet than what you see in a book or on TV, please share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think there is a secret truth behind our world? Have you ever questioned if the flight routes, space photos, or old maps hide a mystery? Your ideas and questions are important and can help us all learn more about our planet and our place in the universe. Thank you for watching and listening, and please keep asking questions, because sometimes the biggest secrets are hidden in the simplest ideas, waiting for brave minds like yours to find them.